Hello my dorklings, welcome back, and we're going to be checking out another Bugha product. Today we're checking out the LED gaming speaker with a subwoofer. Super excited for this one, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so with this one, it says it's compatible with PC. I don't believe this one is Bluetooth, and I picked it up from Five Below for $10, 10 US dollars. Looks like we got, don't try to mimic what others do, be true to yourself. I guess that's like a quote by Bugha. Looks like you can collect them all, I suppose. Again, I don't think this one is Bluetooth compatible. This one's just strictly auxiliary. This, I'm assuming, is the subwoofer. Yes, it is. So it looks like it sits horizontally rather than vertically. It's got volume, power, which has a little click to it. Okay, so there's that. This controls the bass. The bass is already all the way up. And it appears that the subwoofer is what is powering everything plugged in. Here are the normal speakers that go with it. It has an aux in. Looks like it has an auxiliary out cable. So I'm assuming you can use this with or without the subwoofer. So at the very least, you have two computer speakers. And judging by what we saw on the front of the box, it looks like these are going to light up. More than likely without much control by us, the user. We plug this in to there, and then we would have to plug this in to our computer or whatever our auxiliary device is. And then we also plug it in via USB for power. We have the full setup here. We got the speakers, subwoofer. I think in theory you could use any speakers you wanted with the subwoofer, but just for the video we're going to use the speakers that came with it. Let's turn it on. Oh geez, that's not even like halfway up. Hang on, let's go. So no bass at all, and all bass. So that does a really good job actually. And these aren't as annoying as the other speakers before, where they just go on a loop and you can't change them. That is the only downside though, you can't change these. There's no way to turn them off either, so honestly you could just have the subwoofer down on the floor at your desk, then have different speakers. So yeah, really loud, worth the $10 in my opinion, even though you can't change these without opening them up, I guess. Would highly recommend. Got them at Five Below for $10. Totally worth it in my opinion. Alright my dorklings, well there you have it. That was the unboxing and review. $10, Five Below. This one scores really high for me. I really like bass in songs personally, like bassy type music, like no copyright sounds, so would recommend highly if you have $10 to spare. The only complaints that I have is that it's not Bluetooth, which it's not that big of a deal, and you can't change the LED colors. So with all of that being said, my dorklings, I think we're going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!